Hi, welcome back to Malware Fix's YouTube channel. So, today I will be showing you another video tutorial on how to remove the annoying pop-up from Google Chrome. Today, our topic is Erlypipet.online. It will show up persistently on the browser whenever you are surfing the web. So, if you are new to our channel, be sure to click the subscribe button to receive updates and latest guides. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to Google Chrome menu. Click on Settings from the drop-down list. And then, click on Privacy and Security. Select Site Settings. Click on Notifications. Navigate to List of allowed sites. Find the web address that is associated with the pop-up. Click on Settings beside it and click Remove. Click the link on the description to go to the website because we will need to scan the computer using recommended tool. On the website, navigate to the Removal Procedures section and download the anti-malware tool. After completing the download, open the program and run the setup. Install the program with its default settings. Program setup will take a while. Please be patient during this process. When done with the installation, please scan the computer. Scanning may last for a few minutes. Please finish the scan. Delete and remove all identified threats and close the program. Again, please click the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching.